Hi guys. So the news is that your NEET PG exam has been postponed for at least 4 months. I want to tell you that I welcome this decision of this government of India that your exam has been postponed for at least 4 months. Many students have been asking me, sir, what are your views, whether should we join the COVID duties or whether we should just prepare for this NEET PG exam. So guys, I want to tell you why this exam has been postponed. So there are two reasons. The first reason is that, guys, in the last week of preparation, I had been getting a lot of calls from the students who were themselves suffering from fever. I couldn't even tell them that they were having COVID-19 symptoms because, if I would have told them that they were suffering from COVID-19, they would have just got traumatized and they would not have been able to study. So I was just telling them to take paracetamol and just try to isolate themselves. And there were students, whose parents were suffering from COVID-19. They were trying to arrange for hospital beds. They were trying to know what is the treatment protocol for COVID-19. They were trying to arrange oxygen beds for their parents. And I was not able to imagine that how will they be able to give the exam on the 18th of April. So if you guys had been well during this time, so it's a very good thing. But you have to think about the other students as well. What was their mistake that they were suffering a lot during this time? So it's a welcome decision that your exam has been postponed for at least 4 months. Now guys, coming to the second point for which your exam has been postponed. So guys, we need young doctors like you. India is in a crisis today. We don't have hospital beds, we don't have oxygen, but we have young doctors like you who can give the required care that is needed for the patients, who can give the right treatment to the patients. You guys have studied very well. I know that your priority is your NEET PG exam, and your priority should always be your NEET PG exam. Okay, but you have a lot of time. You have 4 months. I don't ask you that you dedicate 4 months to the COVID service. It's your call. You can always do that. But I will always ask you that you devote at least 15 days, at least 1 month, so that you can also tell your juniors once you clear your exam, you become senior, you can tell your juniors that even during our preparation days, we dedicated our time, our lives to serving the patients, to serving the people of India. Yes, the PG seat is important. Okay, we don't have to forget about that, because if you don't have a PG seat, okay, then you don't have any value also. But we have to do the service. We have to do this service, okay? As responsible citizens of India, if we cannot devote a lot of time, we have to devote some time, okay? Our country needs us at this point of time. We are short of doctors, we are short of everything, okay? Even if you give some time, even if you just devote few hours, okay, that will just help us to decrease this COVID-19 infection. So guys, अगर तुम अपने 15 days दे देते हो या अपना 1 month दे देते हो तो उससे कुछ नहीं होगा. Only thing is that you just have to take care of yourself. You have to take care of your family. You will feel proud. Your family will feel proud, okay? And everyone around you will feel proud of yourself that you have done this service to your country. And guys, coming to the third point, guys, I want to tell you that पढ़ाई नहीं छोड़नी है, ठीक है? You have this momentum of the studying. You have finished your syllabus so many times, okay? You have to utilize this time very well, okay? 6 hours you try to work in COVID hours, okay? And after that, don't give reasons that I am tired today. 6 hours you have to study, okay? 6 hours you have to study stop talking about when will the NEET PG exam held, what is the date, exact date. Forget about the date. तुम अपना पढ़ाई करते रहो, मल्टीपल रिविजन्स करते रहो, फोकस ऑन योर वीक पॉइंट्स, गिव अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रैंड टेस्ट. This is the only thing that you have to do. And if you are asking for a schedule, just devote 2 days to every subject. 2 days to every subject and 1 day to a short subject. This is the schedule that you have to follow. So guys, this is the time when we have to give our service to the country, and this is the time when we have to work on ourselves also, okay, so that we clear the NEET PG exam also, okay. And my last request to the government of India is that, you know, these young doctors, post intern doctors, the interns, you know, they are very young doctors, you know, they have their whole life ahead. They are just starting, they are just beginning their career as a doctor from the COVID duties. You know, these doctors will become one of the greatest doctors 10 years later, 20 years later, okay. So I want government of India, you know, to take special care of these doctors. These are very precious to us. These doctors will be volunteering for these duties. Their parents never want them to do the COVID duties, but they are, you know, they are full of so much energy, they are full of so much josh, you know, they want to do this COVID duty. So I request the government of India, you know, to pay them heavily. You know, they can be paid equally as the postgraduates, because their life is very precious. They are risking their lives, you know, they have not even cleared the postgraduate exam. Their future is not clear, but still they are risking their lives, okay. They have a family to take care of. So I want that these doctors should be paid heavily as the postgraduates anywhere in India. Then they should be provided, you know, even if they like fall ill, okay, after COVID-19, some hospital beds should be reserved for the doctors, okay, for these doctors. And this is all what I request from the government of India. And to my junior fellows, I request you that you take care of yourself, you take care of your family members, you do the service to this country, and together we will win this COVID-19.